Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
I'm Daniel Awaka from Kenya.
The project, which would have been so beneficial to your life,
Yes, man of God.
they frustrated that big project, which would have given people jobs. You would have been working now like everybody, sir.
What you're saying is very true because I had a project whereby I started a hotel and it did for a very short time and it now failed to pick up. Man of God, we're saying.
Let me pray for your project. It was a pride in your life.
That is correct,
Let me pray for you for restoration.
Mr. Daniel from Kenya receiving this prayer.
Father, we thank you. We bless your holy name. Raise up. You have a heart condition.
Yeah, I have a problem in the heart. I've been feeling it.
You are free.